Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Welcome to my channel, Helping Lesson at the Red Professor. In this video, I will clear and try to explain two things. First one is there are many and dozens of teaching techniques in the case of lecture to satisfy the student at the BS level. Another thing, in the case of sociology, for studying, for learning, for teaching, for the particular students who are involved in this sort of study, the study of society, the study of culture, languages, literature, art, and science, both. The first thing, many there are techniques in the case of lecturing, the lecture method. Um, Generally, I use and utilize some sort of techniques. The most satisfied technique for lecturing, the one method is that, um, starting to any kind of topic, first of all, there is a way to explore and awake the student about the general conception of any topic. um, when a teacher questions the general question, the outdoor question about that very topic to the student, and then student put their views about that very topic, that very lesson. Then the next stage for the teacher is that he should collect the opinion, the explanation, the definition, the introduction of any XYZ topic, and put these opinions on the whiteboard in listing form, in points pattern. Then, after the proper and regular starting of the topic, these points may helpful vary for the organizing and beginning of the topic for the teacher as lecturing method. Collect all sort of these outlines, these opinions from the students, and enlist these specific words and terminologies, put on the whiteboard, and then start the topic. It is very easy way to conceptualization case, to setting the mind of the student for starting the lecture. After that, as suppose we say, the general discussion, the general introduction of sociology, as we know, it is the very comprehensive and typical way to study the any kind of society, and the behavior of the people, the interaction of the people, good society, bad society, developing society, underdeveloping society, healthy society, unhealthy society. Because we know there are thousands, millions, and so many people when get together in a particular geographical boundaries, even starting from the family, from the classroom, and even from the outdoor society. All these are the societal figures and societal structure. uh, Along this, we see any society composed of humans. Humans are there, humans are existing, then a society become formed. If there is no human on the place, on the particular way, we can't say there is any society. Because when we see in graveyard, people are there, but these are dead. So in graveyard there is no society. um, Even the people are there in the graves, but in dead form. Like this, there is no society of the animal, there is no society of any creature. So the human being form and formulate the society. And when we see, we observe, we study, being a student, being a lecturer, being a teacher, being a researcher, even being a philosopher, when we put the things from the society, their all sort of signs, their living style, their culture, so many things, hundreds of things which exist in the society, then this study is called sociology. Very simple, but it is a very huge subject, and from throughout the century, uh, hundreds of philosophers from English speaking countries, from America, even Muslim philosopher, they put their experienced, their researches, and their work about this sort of study is very clear. And millions of books in libraries about the social system, about the sociology. And even in this time, in AI era, the social media time in the 21st century, the Wikipedia, the Google service, and even Chat GPT all possess the very rich literature, knowledge, and information about the sociology. Being a typical teacher and asking to a typical student who teach and who study as a student this subject, this phenomena is very quite simple, that the people behavior, the society system, the culture, tradition, the government system, the case of country, the case of the state, their history, their past, present, and even the future, all this sort of connectivity with the humans, with the people, that is also attached with the sociology. Some students and friends say the branches of sociology. So I am clearing this point. Um, it is very testified and experienced patron that every knowledge, every subject, and any information is attached to the sociology, because sociology explain the people, sociology explain the society. So people is there, it means that there is every sort of knowledge and information which belong to the people. If a people, if a person, if an individual not studying, and he is not any school, college, or in university, but in outdoor environment, he is the proper figure of the society. So we as a teacher see the his behavior, the his lifestyle, what is his belonging, from which kind of family, which kind of relatives and friends, and other sort of people which are attached to this particular person. So this is also the part of specific study which is called sociology. तो यहाँ पे यही समझाना था कि तरीक़ेकार ये है कि तलबा से इस टॉपिक को शुरू करने से पहले चीज़ें ली जाएं, और उसको फिर एक शेप देकर अपने लेक्चर का आगाज़ किया जाए। दूसरा, ज़ाहिर है इंसानों से माशरा बनता है, माशरा है तो इंसान हैं, और इंसान है तो माशरा है। तो इसके इल्म को जिस तरह भी आप जिस पैटर्न में भी देखें, तो इसको इल्म समाजियात या सोशियोलॉजी कहा जाता है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। सब्सक्राइब।